Keema Aloo Curry with Yellow Lentil Rice. This isn't just any dinner. It's an absolute symphony of flavors that promises to leave your taste buds singing in delight. So buckle up, stay with me through this entire video and witness the magic unfold. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. First, let's set the stage by adding half a cup of sunflower oil to a pan. As the oil sizzles, 2 finely chopped onions take center stage, sizzling and dancing until they reach a translucent trance. Now to infuse an extra layer of flavor, let's introduce a tablespoon of ghee, because every great dish has that touch of magic. Around the 5-minute mark, it's time for the dry aromatics to make their entrance. A small cinnamon stick, a pinch of peppercorns and cloves, a few green cardamoms, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. As these aromatics twirl in the pan, your kitchen will be filled with the mesmerizing spice aroma. Here comes the heat. 5 green chilies join the party, followed by 500 grams of mutton mince, or lamb if that's your preference. Now brace yourselves as we add a medley of spices to create a flavor explosion. 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of Danya Jeera, 1 heaped tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and a tablespoon of salt. Give this heavenly concoction a good mix, and let it cook together for a tantalizing 5 minutes until the meat, spices, and onions waltz together in perfect harmony. Now cue the entrance of 2 cups of cubed potatoes. Have been soaking in cold water to maintain their pristine color. A quick mix. We gradually pour in 2 cups of water, orchestrating this culinary symphony. Five garlic cloves join in for an extra flavor kick. Bring it to a boil, cover with a lid, and let it simmer on low for 30 minutes, allowing the potatoes to achieve the perfect tenderness without becoming mush. While our curry masterpiece simmers, let's turn our attention to crafting the yellow lentil moong dal rice in the microwave, a dazzling sidekick to our main act. In a microwave-proof bowl, combine 2 cups of washed rice, 1 cup of moong dal, 5 cups of water, half a sliced onion, 4 cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, a star anise, peppercorns, cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the star of our show, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Microwave uncovered for 23 minutes, then cover for the final 2 minutes. Behold the result. Fluffy, beautiful rice that's a work of art in itself. Can you believe this was made in the microwave? But we're not done yet. Let's add a little flair by quickly frying some mini poppadoms. This isn't just about the crunch, it's about elevating the meal to a sensory experience. Now back to our curry masterpiece. It's absolutely brilliant. Simmered to perfection. Garnish with fresh coriander and marvel at the stunning color infused by the Kashmiri Red Chili Powder. time to serve. Accompanied by aubergine chutney and the delectable mung dal rice, this meal isn't just food, it's an immersive culinary journey. Thank you for joining me this week. I hope you're not just watching but are gearing up to recreate this culinary delight in your own kitchen. Let me know where you're joining us from this week. Last week we had Mira from Hungary, and feel free to share your thoughts on the journey so far. As you can see, this isn't just a meal, it's a feast, and it's perfect for meal prep. It freezes like a dream, and reheats in the microwave with the same enchanting flavors.